Hi, my name is Vikas Singh and I'm a senior technical consultant and master trainer for data science and full stack development at Brillica services. I'm Microsoft certified trainer and here I'm going to talk about machine learning. So machine learning is the essential part of the data science and the most important part of artificial intelligence, or you can say a subfield of intelligence, artificial intelligence. So machine learning is all about the collection of all type of techniques, mathematical techniques, tools, and algorithms and libraries that are basically used in the development of the artificial intelligence. So machine learning basically, it's all about learning from the data and how we can make a machine that can learn from the data. So if you talk about the intelligence, the ability or the capability of learning from the data, acquiring informations or applying knowledge and skills to solve a problem is called intelligence in human beings. So technically, we are going to develop a type of intelligence within the machine. And for that, we need machine learning. So artificial intelligence, field of computer science, that is basically focused on the development of artificial intelligence using machine learning, deep learning, and all different mathematical concepts. So machine learning, basically the major part of artificial intelligence. If you talk about algorithms that would be covered within the machine learning, then we have two types of machine learnings: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. And in supervised learning, we train a model, we train a software or machine on behalf of some input data, and we have some output. So according to the output, we have to align all the input data and algorithms, and this is called supervised learning when a machine is learning under a supervision. But if you have only collection of data and you don't have any idea about the output, then this type of learning is called unsupervised learning. So we have all kind of algorithms like under supervision. If we are going to develop an artificial intelligence, then in supervised learning, we have regression and classification algorithms. So regression algorithms only for the numerical data and classification algorithms only for the categorical data. And if you don't have any idea about the output, that means you are going to train a model or a machine or a software in unsupervised method, then you have to use clustering algorithms. So these are the algorithms. And this is the course module under machine learning. First of all, we will learn Python and NumPy and Pandas, which are basically libraries of Python, and then some stats, algebra and calculus, mathematics, some feature engineering, and then machine learning algorithms under supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and ensemble learning. Ensemble learning basically combination of multiple models to achieve some outcome, to achieve some results. So if you want to enhance your accuracy, then you can combine multiple models at the time of the learning or development of the artificial intelligence. And this type of learning is called ensemble learning. So if you talk about the projects under this machine learning, then we have many projects under machine learning. Like in forest fire prediction, we can use machine learning for diamond price prediction, for house price prediction, and spam classification, recommendation system, text classification, and many more hands-on projects are there. So that was all about machine learning. See you in my upcoming lectures. Thank you so much.